What's something people don't know about Ribollita? Well, for starters, this isn't just any soup. It's a centuries-old Tuscan tradition, born out of necessity and creativity. Ribollita literally means reboiled, and it's a dish that's all about making the most of what you have, especially leftover bread and vegetables. It's basically a soup for bread lovers, seriously. If you're the kind of person who can't resist dipping bread into your soup, this is your dream come true. The bread doesn't just float on top, it becomes the heart and soul of the dish, soaking up all those rich, savory flavors. I will never look at stale bread the same way again after making this recipe. What once seemed destined for the trash now becomes the star of the show, transforming into something hearty, comforting, and absolutely delicious. First up, heat a big splash of olive oil in your pot. Don't be shy. The olive oil is the foundation of so many Italian dishes, and here it brings a beautiful richness to the soup. Let it shimmer and get fragrant before you move on. Toss in diced onion, chopped carrots, and celery, and let them sizzle. This trio is called sofrito, and it's the aromatic base that gives Ribollita its deep, savory flavor. Let the veggies soften and release their sweetness. It's worth the wait. Add minced garlic and a sprig of rosemary for that wow, what's that smell moment. The garlic and rosemary fill your kitchen with an irresistible aroma, making it feel like you've been transported straight to a cozy Tuscan farmhouse. 5 minutes, and your kitchen already smells like an Italian trattoria. The scents are warm, inviting, and totally mouth-watering. Your neighbors might even come knocking. Now it's time to add some substance. Next, dump in a can of cannellini beans and diced tomatoes. The beans add creaminess and protein, while the tomatoes bring a touch of tang and color. Give it a good stir. This is where the magic happens. Watch as the ingredients start to come together, creating a thick, rustic stew that's as beautiful as it is tasty. Now, pour in your veggie broth and toss in a mountain of chopped kale. Don't be shy with the greens. The more, the merrier. Kale is traditional, but you can use Swiss chard or even spinach if you like. Let it bubble away for 15 minutes while you practice your Italian hand gestures. This is the perfect time to channel your inner nonna and let the flavors meld together. Here's the fun part. Grab some stale bread and cube it. No need to be fancy. The rougher the better, because those craggy edges soak up more flavor. Drop those cubes right into the soup and let them soak up all that deliciousness for 10 minutes. The bread will break down a bit, thickening the soup and making it extra hearty. It's like a bread spa day. The bread gets soft, pillowy, and full of flavor, turning your soup into a true comfort food masterpiece. Season with salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Don't forget a final swirl of good olive oil on top. It's the Italian way. Ladle into a big bowl, add a sprig of rosemary, and get ready to slurp up a Tuscan hug. Each spoonful is warm, filling, and packed with rustic Italian charm. Made Ribollita? Subscribe for more Italian recipes every day. We're always sharing new ways to bring a taste of Italy to your kitchen. Daily Italian dishes await. Don't miss out. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, there's always something delicious to discover. Ribollita is more than just a soup. It's a celebration of simple ingredients, resourcefulness, and the joy of sharing a meal. Buon appetito!